So it's kind of pumping right now, actually. This is the end of the storm. We just had the last of the storm yesterday, and looks like there's still a big swell. Not sure how the sound is going to be here. Haven't worked on microphones or anything yet. There's a bunch of dudes just got here and they're all stoked. Holy shit, a bunch of people just got here. See if we can get some shots. I got a 105 right now. It's probably not going to do much, but at least I get some video. Bikes are nice. They're like $3 grand though. That one doesn't have the rear suspension. They're nice. Went up to Sunny 16. Sun just came out. So I'm at f16 and shutter speed 1000. See how that does. That might have been the last shot. Alright, so that was the last shot, and let's go ahead and finish up right now. The lab's right down the street. I'll drop off that Portra 400. I didn't finish off the roll of black and white I have on the point and shoot, but I want to go test some of this video out. And hopefully they're not too busy. They'll have some of my they'll have my roll finished up today. That'd be cool. They're usually pretty good about definitely getting it overnight. Sometimes if they're not too busy, they'll finish my roll, scan and everything, email to me high quality in the same day. So anyways, I'll see you guys soon.